Okay, clearly you can watch this. He's making noises. The bird is like a master. Wow, what a tragic thing that I've watched. And he's gone. He's gone. Okay, he's gone and gone and gone. And here I need to go. Okay, they are here. Okay. Mm, Okay, so one has the one leg and okay. I think that leg has been gone. So that's why he's standing with a leg, with another leg, which is left in his life. So that can be a probable reason why this is happening. So see you guys in the next one. Bye. Take care of yourself and have a great day.